The most crucial and challenging step in planning is to construct a project plan. Making effective and polished presentation visuals for your team and stakeholders can be made easier if you have project management tools with all the necessary features. If you want to have software that quickly and easily create professional timetables and roadmaps, stick around to discover what it is about and get a special deal for you and your business. Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. Meet Preceden. A web-based program called Preceden enables you to generate expert project roadmaps and timetables. This is a straightforward user interface that allows you to rapidly create a professional timeline representation for any project. You can simply add important events to your timeline, and the program will create an incredible visualization for you. After that, you can also group those events into layers to maintain team or departmental organization in your timeline. Preceden makes it simple to create and distribute high-quality timetables and roadmaps, keeping your team on the same page and your stakeholders informed. With only a few options and settings, Preceden makes it simple to personalize the look and feel of your timeline. The typefaces, colors, and date formats can all be modified to fit your brand's aesthetic. Additionally, you can use your company logo to further accentuate the chronology as a professional. Plus, you can establish links to quickly illustrate how important objects are related to one another, as well as dependencies that change dynamically when events are completed. If you're picturing a marketing strategy or a scope of work, you can set flexible project durations, start times, and milestones. Furthermore, you can utilize visual indicators like completion bars and percentages, which makes it much simpler to keep your team informed. With Preceden, you can embed your timeline on your website or share it as a link with customizable permissions. For online meetings, you can even display your timeline in presentation mode without leaving its website. Plus, you can export your timeline in a variety of file formats, including PDF, PNG, Excel, and PowerPoint slides, if you prefer to share it as a file. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? Make a smart success plan with Preceden. Try it now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.